Have you ever felt that little jolt of anxiety when you're trying to move your precious USDT from one crypto platform to another, especially when it's going from a centralized exchange like OKX to a decentralized wallet like Bifrost? It's a common feeling, and frankly, it's warranted. The world of crypto transfers can seem like a labyrinth of addresses, networks, and gas fees. One wrong move, and your funds could be lost in the digital ether forever. But what if I told you there's a straightforward, step-by-step process to ensure your USDT journey from OKX to your Bifrost wallet is smooth, secure, and stress-free? Today, we're going to demystify this process. We'll break down each step, clarify the jargon, and make sure you're confident in managing your crypto assets. Think of this as your personal guide to navigating the bridge between OKX and Bifrost. Whether you're a seasoned crypto user or just starting out, understanding this transfer mechanism is crucial for taking full control of your digital wealth. First things first, let's talk about why you might want to do this. OKX is a powerful exchange for trading and holding various cryptocurrencies, but a decentralized wallet like Bifrost offers something different: true self-custody. This means you hold your private keys, and ultimately, you have complete control over your assets, free from the constraints and potential vulnerabilities of a centralized exchange. It's about empowerment and decentralization. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The very first step is to ensure you have both your OKX account and your Bifrost wallet set up and ready to go. For Bifrost, make sure you've backed up your seed phrase securely. This is paramount. Once that's confirmed, you'll need to open your Bifrost wallet and locate your USDT receiving address. This is the digital equivalent of your bank account number for USDT. Pay close attention to the network. Bifrost supports multiple networks, and it's crucial that the network you choose for your USDT on Bifrost matches the network you'll be using for withdrawal on OKX. For USDT, common networks include ERC20, Ethereum, TRC20, Tron, and Polygon. Double-check this. A mismatch can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Once you have your Bifrost USDT address and the correct network confirmed, head over to your OKX account. Log in and navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. From there, you'll want to find your USDT holdings and initiate a withdrawal. This is where you'll input the details you just gathered from your Bifrost wallet. The OKX withdrawal interface will ask you for three key pieces of information: the withdrawal address, your Bifrost USDT address, the network, matching the one you selected on Bifrost, and the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. This is a critical point for vigilance. Always double-check the address and the network. It's a good practice to copy and paste the address to avoid any typing errors. A quick triple check of the first few and last few characters of the address can save you a lot of grief. After confirming these details, OKX will likely prompt you for security verification, such as a 2FA code or an email verification. Complete these steps diligently. Once the withdrawal is initiated, the funds will be sent from OKX to your Bifrost wallet. The time it takes for the transaction to complete will depend on the network congestion and the specific blockchain you're using. You can usually monitor the transaction status on OKX and often find a transaction ID, TXID, which you can use to track the transfer on a blockchain explorer. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will appear in your Bifrost wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your assets and taken another step towards greater financial autonomy in the crypto space. It might seem like a lot of steps, but once you do it a few times, it becomes second nature. Remember, patience and meticulousness are your best friends in the world of crypto transfers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.